Okay, my peeps, so I'm back with another fake bake using cream glue, whip glue. I'm just going to, I got this little brown frame from the Dollar Tree, and the inside of the frame says I love chocolate, but it makes my clothes shrink, something like that. Anyways, I'm just going to take the cream glue and I'm going to go around the border of this frame, and I'm going to just pipe it as nicely as I can. Now this cream glue, now one thing about cream glue, it could be thick, super thick, where it's like, it was really like, this one was hard for me to like even really squeeze. And then I had another brown one that it was so soft I could have made like a drip with it. So you know, you have to be aware of your cream glue and make sure that if you're going to do something like this, you need to have it, it has to be thick. It cannot be thin, because then the pretty tip design is not going to stay. It's going to just like basically like melt, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure that you're using a thick cream glue, okay? Now you don't have to make it in chocolate. You can make it any color you want. But excuse me, this is just another variation of what you can do with cream glue. It just doesn't have to go like on fake baked food. It could go on frames. We made hair clips. There's so many different things that the cream glue can go on. So if you're like afraid to do fake bakes, well, maybe this might be something you'll like to do. You know, cream glue decorations, cream glue frames, cream glue hair clips, whatever. There's a lot of things you can do with the cream glue besides putting it on a fake bake, okay? So right here I'm just taking some chocolate sprinkles and I'm just filling in some of the areas that didn't have any candy in it. I had a bunch of different chocolate cabochons. I had chocolate gummy bears. I had mini chocolate bars. I had chocolate chips. I had M&Ms. I had a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so you just grab up all your cabochons and just fill in the spaces. Put as much candy as you want, as little as you want. You do it however you want. This is a project that you just make it your own, okay? So I filled in all the little spots, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of glitter on it, because you know, why not? And I'm just using shimmer glitter here. It's called Snow. It's just like a clear glitter, and I'm done. And that's what it looks like. It came out so cute. I got that little saying online, and you could just search for something like that, and make one for yourself. Look at all that chocolate. See, I love chocolate, but it makes my clothes shrink. Look how cute. Go make you one. Talk to you later.